Hello guys, I have received my hatsan mode 85 today, and since I was a bit excited, I opened it, but I want to share it with you, how the unboxing. Oh, okay, let's start it. It is packed like this. First of all, I have expected something. I have purchased it from the if I'm spell it correctly, it's Buz Buzkurtab, something like that. And I purchased it from the Hatsan store. I do not know. I'm not so sure what hatsanstore.com, but it is written something else. First of all, I expected something better for the for this and it's not of good quality, but it's not that bad too. It's good enough for a normal one, of course without scope. It cannot be used with a scoped one. And now let's unbox it for real. Here it is. It has 2 boxes of pellets inside. I have ordered mine, and this is the gun itself covered. And that is it. Huh? Acceptable. Git چیه؟ زمین افتاده بود؟ And it's a letter from my little daughter. Everybody, Salam, say hello. Say hello to the camera. She is a little bit shy. Of course, when she hasn't. So, it's quite acceptable.
Oh.
And it's not that easy to cook. I'm not gonna to dry fire it. I will see you on the next videos when I'm trying to make a quick review of the accuracy and power. Bye bye.